Uh, Good evening to all the participants. We have come to the end of the session, and as this is a mandatory part, you can say not the mandatory, you can say the concluding part of this session. And there is always a means a requirement that we need a few feedbacks. We cannot go individually to all the participants. And as a coordinator, I can say a few things here also. Throughout this FDP 5 days program, we have invited all the experts from the different corners, you can say, from India as well as from the abroad. And they have delivered the very nice talk in a different means, research areas, particularly looking to the means you can say the wireless sensor network, or you can say that reliability and control aspects, islanding detection, power quality, that image forecasting. So many aspects they have covered, and in the line of our faculty development program, because the faculty development program was entitled as Advanced Control and Wireless Sensor Network for a smart distribution network with the renewable energy integration. In that way, I hope all of you have gained some knowledge. At least you got an exposure. Many of you are working in a particular area of microgrid or smart grid, and in that way, now the trend is like this: being a faculty of the any institute, either at the self financing or NIT, wherever. Apart from the teaching, the research is most important, and you have to carry out. Take the interest, means do some kind of research collaboration wherever it is possible. We are always open to, means the NIT Meghalaya is completely providing the support for a research collaboration. Whenever you require, you can write to us, and we'll take this opportunity to do some MOU or collaboration. With this, I can thank all the participants, means each and every individual. And if you have any kind of feedback here, we'll take the two, three feedbacks at least from the participants. If none of you will be giving, then we have to take the name and we'll ask. Voluntarily, if you are giving the feedback, it is well and good. If you are not giving, then we'll take few names and we may ask you.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah,
So again, it is Nidhi Saujani from
yeah,
Government
yeah, I
Polytechnic, Rajpur.
understand. Yeah, and it
So
is
it was
we are doing the recording, right?
okay.
If will unmute your video and speak, it is better. Is it okay? Yeah,
Yeah,
because
yes, sir.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yeah. Please
Yes, sir.
go ahead.
It was
Yeah,
very nice, sir. I learned a lot about that content. Every lectures were very related to the title of our FDP, and the last session was also very interesting. I was actually expecting regarding protection. My expectation was because I'm working in
uh,
protection area.
yeah. I
However,
understand.
I come to know many new areas in which I can also focus. So
Yeah,
overall, the training was very nice, and your team is also very helpful. And looking forward for next such training. Thank
yeah.
you, thank
We will be definitely looking for the protection, particularly the training program using PSS software.
you. Okay,
We have the one team, and we can
okay,
think of in future, which will be much more useful. Means
okay.
that will be PSS software, which is widely used nowadays for
Mhm.
protection purpose in the microgrid system.
Definitely, sir.
We have
Thank
that
you, sir.
facility, and maybe 1 year back or 2 years back, we conducted one program
Mhm.
only with the PSS. That
Actually,
kind of,
so
yeah, that will
yeah.
be thinking of in future.
The
Thank you.
problem is,
Thank you.
I being in a polytechnic faculty, I do not have any platform resources actually.
Yeah.
for working upon research. So that is why I'm looking for a few
And
colleges or few
how
laboratory
you
in which
are
I can.
pursuing your PhD?
It is part time, sir. It
Part
is
time
part
from
time.
which
Yeah.
university?
From GTU, Gujarat Technological University,
Okay,
GTU.
okay. They don't have the facility.
As I am a part-time
Okay,
researcher,
you
so
cannot
that is why.
devote time
Yeah,
there. Right, right.
yeah. But
Okay.
anyways, I would like
But
to
PSS software is a little bit
yeah.
costly that you may not be able to procure from there.
Mhm, mhm,
But that is more means advanced version, and it will be very much helpful for the research, particularly
mhm,
in protection area.
mhm. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you,
any
sir.
other participant wants to say something?
Good evening, sir. This is Srinivasan from
Yes,
Chennai, Hindustan
kindly
Institute of
unmute
Technology and
your
Science.
video. Kindly unmute your video. Yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. All the 5 days, all the 5 days we have a program, and which are all the informative, and we have covered all the thrusting areas like artificial intelligence, reliability issues and power systems, smart grid, microgrid, and all. We are very much thankful to you on the ATAL platform and NIT Meghalaya for arranging such a beautiful lecture by bringing many experts in this area, and we have invoked many trust areas where people can work on their research. Thank you very much, sir, for your great support and organizing the seminar and the STTP. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Srinivasan. Dr. Srinivasan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, doctor, right?
No, sir. I have yet to finish, sir. I have yet to finish.
Yet to finish. Where you are pursuing PhD?
In my, remember the first day I talk about, I give some feedback in the first day.
Okay,
The
okay, okay,
I'm
okay.
verge of completing
I
my
might have
PhD.
forgotten. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yes. Anyone else?
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening. Very good evening.
Myself, Sanjana Salim from School of Engineering, Kusat, Kerala. I am a
Oh,
faculty,
okay.
I am a faculty of School of Engineering, and as well as I'm pursuing my PhD as part time in the area of power electronic control, especially for PV inverters. So
Okay.
the FDP was very much oriented to my topic of research. I could get so many inputs related to the control strategies, multi-agent systems. It was very much helpful. And I look forward to more and more of the sessions and webinars from the same team, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. And one of our PhD scholars, he is working Cavallo in the multi-level inverter. You can interact with him whenever required any kind of
Yes, sir.
help.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
we have I think around 10 IEEE publications in that particular area in
Area,
multi-level
okay.
inverter. Yeah, you
Inverters.
can
Oh.
refer.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you need any kind of support, like hardware support or anything, you can interact through email
Sure,
also.
sir. I have taken down the contact, sir. Surely I will contact you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
means in the website, every
Yeah, yeah,
information is
yeah.
available nowadays.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you so much,
sure,
sir. Thank you.
please. Yeah, thank you. Yes,
Good evening, sir. Good evening,
yeah, good
sir.
evening. Yeah, very
Myself,
good evening.
Professor Manoj Devkate. I would like to say heartily congratulations to you, sir, and your complete team for the wonderful FDP. And really, for last 5 days, we learned a lot because I'm pursuing PhD in the distributed optimal power flow control in the microgrid, hybrid grid system. So
Okay.
most of the topics covered in this FDP that helps really a lot for my ahead work. And really, sir, you all people are really very thankful, and we need to require same sort of the expertise in future also if we'll stuck up somewhere in our research work. So we need to get the great help from people like you, sir. That is our
Okay.
request.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
And definitely in this platform, directly you will give the very good feedbacks. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yes,
But means, anyhow, but as I know that we have selected the good experts, and
right, right.
definitely they have reached up to year expenditure. That, that is the that is my prerogative.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And anyhow, now we have got few feedbacks, and as no more participants are looking to say something. Yes, Kavela, what is the next part of this valedictory?
Yes, sir. So we can conclude here, and I'll be immediately sending within 1 minute questions for the test, and
Okay,
our today's feedback form also. And
okay,
I have also informed all the participants that whatever feedback we are taking, the attendance
yes.
and feedback we are taking, that is for our reference purpose. But for obtaining certificate, it is must that you need to fill the feedback form in the ATAL portal. So all of you, as I have informed the link and everything, all the details I have given through mail, and I have sent it today itself. You can check it. You need to log into the ATAL portal. On the left hand side, you will find a feedback tab, and in the feedback tab, when you click it, you will answer some few questions only, and submit it. Just wait for at least 5 to 6 days minimum. It will take 5 to 6 days because we need to update in the ATAL portal or your attendance and marks, then you will get your certificate at the end. So all are requested to answer to the feedback form and the test what we are sending the link. Google Sheet link will be sending now immediately. So please
Hmm.
answer to all these questions and feedback.
You do one thing that you send the link to all the participants and also be available through online mode. If they have any kind of difficulty, they can interact with you. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure,
uh,
sir.
that you provide the complete information, because
Yeah.
sometimes they may face problem
Yes, yes,
when
yes.
they are appearing that test and giving the feedback, but you should be available through online mode as well as through our phone also. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Have
Yeah.
you shared your phone number to them?
No, I
Okay.
haven't shared the contact
You
number.
share the phone number. If anyone wants to share directly also, they can call you, because
Yes.
today is the last session, and everyone should complete the formalities to get the certificate. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you all the participants. Wish you a happy Diwali as well as stay safe, and keep in touch with us whenever required.